Check it is, yeah. Oh, tight ass, nut sack squeezing, fucking James, bullshit, bitch ass, skinny James, skinny James, for females.
We got CDs up here in case y'all want to buy one. So get one, it's like $5 a pop. Shit, fuck it. Y'all want for free? Come get it.
Y'all give it up to Mega Fresh, baby! Amazing! Free CDs right now. Y'all make sure y'all come and cop one. Right now, the beer went down to $2. $2 beer right now. I see you, Gino. You stupid, man. You stupid. They're giving away free CDs. Don't come and get another CD. Pass them out. Twitter them, MySpace them, add them as a friend. Once again, my name is Queen of Crunk. You can Google me, MySpace me, Twitter me. And thank y'all for coming. Good night, baby. Twin setup.
I'm standing on them damns. My foot think I'm playing for the bastards. Maybe got an assy. Can we do the nasty
They were amazing.
Hey, man. Y'all did your fucking thing, man. Y'all did your fucking thing, man. So bring that camera over here. See, he's all day. That's us right there. I don't know if y'all saw us perform a little while ago. All right. Like 2 hours before. What you call it? Are y'all busy?
Saying the nigga make fresh tea, I'm all sweaty shit. I know y'all like that glistening, looking like honey roast up in this motherfucker. But it's all good. Hey, Indonesians are from Indonesia. This kick y'all motherfuckers bad, man. Make a fresh tea, motherfucker Mike Antonio.
Got two.
Oh, you grab one, you know what I'm talking about, Kevin?
Didn't I tell y'all we run this city, my nigga? Understand that.
It's hotter than the bitch though, man. Look at the motherfucker. Look at the manager sweat. Look at all the manager sweat.
Give me one of these, yeah, so we can. Oh, you got okay, you got that. That's my info right there.
Recording?
Okay. My manager
just got the fucking stage.
Oh, y'all busy in 2 weeks? Just one.
Yeah, I got. You know what? Call me because I know I owe you. So, because I got.